When crowns lay broken and order fell, when might was lost to hunger and fear, nomarchs ruled where pharaohs failed, and Egypt stood divided by the years. In the north, Herakleopolis held the throne. We kings claimed rule in name alone. In the south, by Thebes and desert stone, a rising power stood unknown. From Upper Egypt's sacred ground, a line of kings began to grow. Mentuhotep, son of war and ruin, raised his banners from Thebes below. He fought not once but year by year against rival lords and fractured lands. Through blood and stone, through oath and spear, he carved his rule with steady hands. From chaos born from fractured crown, he forged one land, he brought it down. The walls of war, the age of fear, and bound the two lands once more here. No foreign blade, no distant foe, but Egypt healed by Egypt's hand. From broken soil and rivers low, Mentuhotep united the land. From chaos born from fractured crown, he forged one land, he brought it down. The walls of war, the age of fear, and bound the two lands once more here. No longer just a mortal king, Mentuhotep changed what power meant. He named himself both God and Lord, a living sign of order sent. He wore the crowns of north and south, white and red upon his brow. The pharaoh stood as more than ruler, a divine force restoring man. From chaos born from fractured crown, he forged one land, he brought it down. The walls of war, the age of fear, and bound the two lands once more here. No foreign blade, no distant foe, but Egypt healed by Egypt's hand. From broken soil and rivers low, Mentuhotep united the land. Temples rose where ruins lay, trade returned along the Nile. Stone was cut and gods were fed, the state breathed life again a while. He ruled not just by war alone, but by renewal, law and faith. From civil strife to lasting throne, Egypt escaped its living death. At cliffs where desert meets the sky, he built a tomb the world had not seen. Not pyramid, but terraces wide, a monument to rebirth and dream. Their kings were buried as gods reborn, and death became a sacred door. A middle kingdom rose that morn, stronger than the age before.
From shattered land and starving years, a kingdom rose from loss and pain. Not by legend, dream, or tears, but unity, hard won again.
The wars were done, the crown restored, the Nile flowed free, the gods stood near. Thus Egypt entered a brighter age, reunited under Mentuhotep's reign.
So ends the age of hunger.
the age of hunger and fire. So begins the Middle Kingdom's light. One king, one land, one restored order, from chaos forged from